take 2 slices of bread, and with the help of the cutter, you can cut it into a mini round pizza. Otherwise, you can use it as a whole bread to make this. Next, apply mayonnaise to both the slices generously. After this, apply pizza sauce to both the slices. Now top it with some grated mozzarella cheese to both the slices. Now top it with some vegetables. So for the vegetables, now I have chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes, now few chopped green capsicums, now add few cooked corn kernels. So you can use any vegetables of your choice. Now sprinkle some pizza seasoning on the top. Now sprinkle some chili flakes. Now finally finish up this by adding some grated cheese on the top of the slices. Now heat up a pan and dab a little butter to it. Place the prepared bread pizza onto the pan. Make sure you keep the flame low throughout. Close the pan with a lid. Once the cheese is melted, remove the bread pizza from the pan. So there you go with a delicious bread pizza. So share this recipe with your friends and families.